Get up, James. Come on. We're going to the Amazon rainforest in 5 minutes. Come on,
What?
pack. Your dad's waking up Matt. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, little Jimmy.
Come on, Matt. Mom's waking up Jimmy. We're going to the Amazon rainforest. Come on, let's go.
Where the heck are they? Gosh.
Hey Mum, why are we even going to the Amazon rainforest?
Well, we need to get there before they cut down all the trees. You see, they have an egocentric worldview. What the heck does egocentric mean? It means that they only care about themselves and they only care about making money from the Amazon rainforest.
Why does it matter if they cut down all the trees?
Well, all the native animals would have to migrate to different environments. Alright, we're there.
Oh, look. It's the Amazon rainforest.
Where's Mum and Dad?
Oh, they'll catch up.
Where are those little pesky kids at?
I don't know, they've probably run ahead. Wait, kids! Kids, wait up! What are you doing?
Oh, we're just checking out some of the biospherical processes.
Look at this. The nitrogen and phosphorus cycle.
Oh, where'd you learn
The
about
dead
that?
plants, they give the proteins back into the living plants.
Where'd you learn about that?
We learn about in geography.
Yeah. Oh, look at all the chemical runoff from all that machinery that they use to cut down all the trees.
Oh, mass logging.
It's pretty bad, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how many trees do they cut down?
Well, if you look at these graphs, it's estimated that in 2030 we would have lost 27% of all the trees we have in the Amazon. And in 100 years, they think that we'll have lost all the trees.
Look how logging is stopping the sustainability of this area.
Yeah, I know. It's even causing the native animals to migrate to new environments.
And when they cut down all the trees, it ruins the oxygen cycle.
Yeah.
Look at this. They've left their machinery here. It's polluting the environment. And it contributes to a lack of biodiversity.
Look how bad the sustainability of the Amazon is compared to somewhere like Bongo Bongo National Park in Australia.
In Bongo Bongo National Park, they have measures to stop this from happening. Loss of the sustainability of the land. They make sure to protect the native lands and animals and to replant and regrow wherever they cut down the trees. They make sure this may never happen.
Come on, Matt. Wake up. Mum is...
Look how you jump on it.
And that's what we call deforestation. Alright, we're there.
What'd you do, James?
Door locked.
Door locked. Put your seatbelts on.